Hey guys, it's Miriam with Lots of Toys. Subscribe to our channel for lots of fun videos posted every day.
Check out this fun new Transformers. It's robots in disguise. And this time I have the Minicon deployers. It's Blizzard, Strike, Autobot Drift and Jetstorm. It's a different version of Autobot Drift and Jetstorm than what we've opened so far. Jetstorm actually gets to be armored up. And then he launches from Autobot Drift, ready to fight those Decepticons. Let's go ahead and open it up and play with it.
Here's Autobot Drift and Jetstorm.
They're both in robot form. Autobot Drift is a version of this Autobot Drift that we've previously opened. This one is also a deployer. Here's Slipstream as well. This is another Minicon and he deploys from both Autobot Drifts. Hey, who's that? We'll get you, Overload. They're both Minicons and look at that. They're so similar. Let's go ahead and show you how to convert Autobot Drift into vehicle mode, where he can actually deploy Jetstorm. Here's Autobot Drift in vehicle form. He's exactly like the other Autobot Drift that we've opened. He's just a different color combination. What's that?
It's an Earth observation satellite and also does space too.
Cool. Is that a Lego?
Yeah. Here, the spaceship is coming in to pick it up.
Cool.
I'm putting it in and close.
But now let's go ahead and armor up Jetstorm. We have all this gear here.
The astronauts have to replace the solar panel on our satellite. They're grabbing the new one and dirt. The rocket ship is returning to Earth.
Look at Jetstorm. He's armored up and ready to fight Overload. Now let's go ahead and convert Autobot Drift into his robot form. There's a 7-step process in converting him into robot form and into vehicle mode. Here's Autobot Drift back into robot form. Well, that's it for us, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed already. And also, click the like button. Leave a comment down below as well. I would love to hear your thoughts on this video.